Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have another beauty box and it is Allure. That's right, I got my Allure box. It runs $25 a month. You can get it for less if you do a 6-month or an annual subscription. And I did a 12-month and I got $25 off, I think. And it brings it down to about $19.50 a box. I can't remember my exact total, but I want to say it was around $2.25 or something. But I do know you can get it for $25 a month. And this is a box that we usually get a couple of full-size items, and we also get, I think, 5 to 6 items. I'm not real sure because I'm kind of new to this. I know many of you have seen this box. It's already out, and I know Mary Catherine has had hers out, and probably Arlene. I don't know. There's a few of them that's been out. But we're going to pop in here and see what I have. Here's a little sneaky peeky, which you can tell is kind of covered up with their product card, and it's Happy Mother's Day. So it's just in time for Mother's Day. How about that? Are y'all having a wonderful day? I hope this comes out on Sunday. We'll see. But inside here, it's going to tell us all the wonderful products that we have in here. We also get a card for the GQ box, and I did used to get the GQ box, and it's a great box. And you get all kinds of items for your man, and some of those items you can actually use for yourself because they use some really good brands. And it's about $50 if it comes out once a quarter. This is monthly. And on the inside here, I've got more goodies to show you. It looks like we got some nice name brands in there. They have stepped this up because I used to watch this a while back, and I don't know, I wasn't overly impressed. But over the last few years, it's really changed, so I have really liked it. And like I said, it's a Mother's Day box, and as the weather warms up, I'm looking forward to slowing down, and while I'm busy dreaming about summer vacations, my beauty products are ramping up to ready me for the season ahead. Inside your May Allure Beauty Box, you have some hard-working products, an innovative hair mask from, and we'll get into that. We've got some eye creams. We have some multitasking body wash, and we're going to get into all the details. But all of this is perfect for the Mother's Day brunch, and any day really. So they're just getting us set up for the Mother's Day. And the first item that they have on board is a very popular eye cream, Peptide Eye Recovery Elemis. This is a reviving eye cream, and it is for tired, overworked eyes, revives, brightens, and hydrates. And I don't think I've ever had this product, so this is really a nice little treat. And I'm not sure, but it might be a full size. Let me see what it says. Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. Why you'll love it? This just might be the perfect under-eye moisturizer thanks to its creamy yet lightweight texture and namesake peptides. The hydrating formula sinks right in, while the peptides, short chains of amino acids, go to work for a treatment that helps with dark circles, lines around the eyes, and puffiness. How will you use it? You'll use it under your eyes. And this is a 15 ml, and it says a $50 value for 15 ml. So this is a full size because it says 15 ml right there. And it says it's $50. So looky there, I already got my $25 worth, and I got mine. I did calculate it out. It was $18.75 a box plus tax, so around $19.50 probably by the time it's all said and done. But isn't that great? That's a wonderful product, and I'm sure it's sealed. But let's take a look and see. No, it's not sealed. So I'm going to pull some out and just kind of put it right there. It is a nice lightweight moisturizing eye cream. Very, very nice. It doesn't have a scent really, which is good. You don't really want perfume around your eyes. So that is our first item, is the Elemis. So what a way to start off with this Allure box. Yay! The next item is a money product, and this is a new to me product. It's a Chris Appleton plus Color Wow, and it's money. It says mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. Hey, we all want some super glossy, expensive looking hair, don't we? It says, why you'll love it, this innovative hair mask was made in a collaboration with hairstylist Chris Appleton, who is known for creating his super shining signature gloss hair for celebrities such as J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, and Ariana Grande. This mask was dreamed up to deliver the same level of glossy shine at home, and it does not disappoint, says Paige Stables, who's tested it in the shower on her bleach blonde hair, heavily hot, tool-damaged hair. My hair was given new life and felt like it was spun into silk. Shiny, smooth, and voluminous. I can't even say that. Anyway, so that's how you'll use it. After your shampoo, you'll get a golf ball sized dollop of this gel-like mask from the roots to the ends and rinse out after 5 minutes. So I can't wait to test that out. And I want to see if it's sealed on top. It is, so I'm not going to be able to squeeze any out right at the moment. But that sounds like a wow money product right there, like that. And it says here that it's $46 for 215 ml. And what we have here is a 50 ml. So it is a sample size. So we got a portion of the 215 ml. So, I mean, if you divide that by 4, you probably have, we'll say around a $15 value maybe. Now the next item that we have is a Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. And that is right here, and I could tell that because it had tulips on the box. Isn't that cute? And it's a tulip tint, and why you'll like it, this tint provides a wash of color that perks up the complexion in a way that looks totally natural, like you've just taken a quick stroll on a beautiful day, rather than spent the last few hours answering email. And it says how you'll use it in a couple of dots on your cheeks. You'll use this with your fingers and spread the coral shade up and outward up to your temples. Smooth a little over your lips for a fresh monochromatic vibe. And this retails $29 for 13 ml. And what we have here is 13 mil. So this is another full size. Wow. And it's $29 value. So you can see we've already gotten our money's worth, way past our money's worth. And this is sealed, and I'm going to leave it that way because this could end up in a giveaway. So I don't want to spoil it for you guys. My next item is a Mud Masky Midnight Hand Mask. Oh, that's interesting. I've never had a hand mask. A midnight mask. Well, let's find out about why we'll love this product. This may be called a hand mask, and it certainly lives up to the hydrating promise, but that doesn't mean that the formula is too heavy to wear during the day. In fact, it smells so good with a subtle scent that will remind us of a field full of lavender. That's why you'll want to keep applying it after you've woken up. And how do you use it? Well, you use it overnight as a deep moisturizing hand mask, or use your hand cream anytime. So I'm sure this is sealed, but I think I'm going to open it up. The cost on this for a full size of 40 ml is $55. And the size that we have here, I'm not sure on this size, but I am going to open it up. I like hand creams, and this sounds really nice. There it is. And it has a nice scent. It's not overly powering with the lavender scent, but it's very nice. It definitely smells like a field of lavenders. More like a field of lavender than just lavender, if that makes any sense. It smells really good. I like that. Okay, well, that's another win. And I'm glad it's not a face mask. I have several of those. Our next item in this Power Pack box is a Natura Ecos Tucumé Exfoliating Shower Gel. And that is right here. And that sounds interesting, doesn't it? It says, why will you love this? It's just in time for warmer weather. This gentle exfoliating body wash makes legs and arms soft and smooth while you cleanse. It's an easy and rewarding way to multitask. Here's how you'll use it. Smooth a little on a damp skin in the shower. Enjoy a subtle fragrance. And I'm sure this is sealed. Yeah, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open that up just yet because I'll probably wait till I use it. But that sounds really good. And a full size of this for 185 mils would be $18. And this here is just a small sample. It says it's a 30 mil included. So it's a pretty good size sample that you'd be able to try out, and I like that. The next item is Wilhelm Parfumeries Poets of Berlin. And that is right here. And this is our last item. And it is a type of perfume. And let's see what it smells like. Poets of Berlin. So let's get a little scent of this. Oh, that smells lovely. Oh, I like that. Very nice. I think I'll spray some on me. Oh, that smells very lovely. Let's see what it says. Okay, guys, let's find out what this is all about. Poets of Berlin. Why you'll love this? This perfume proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has the warmth and comfort of vanilla fragrance for sure, but with a crisply sweet kick from lemon and blueberry, orris and sandalwood to keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry like it says. And I guess that's probably true. I can smell the sandalwood and the blueberry. I can smell a little lemon in that. So it's crisp with that vanilla over the top. That's really, really nice. So it says that you mix this all over, of course, and a 50 ml is $175. Wow. And included is a 5 ml. So we have a fraction of the 50 ml, but enough to keep it going. Ooh, that smells good. And a nice size to keep in your purse. Oh, that smells really good, guys. Okay, so we have Poets of Berlin Eau de Parfum, which I really like, that has the vanilla and the other fruity scents. We have our Ecos body wash that's going to exfoliate and wash us all in once. We got our Elemis Perfect Eye Cream. We have our Mud Masky, and that is our Midnight Ham Mask. We got our Tulip, and this was the tulip for your cheeks and for your lips. And then we got the Money, that's going to make our hair really shiny. So what's your favorite item? Oh my goodness. I think they have a lot of great things in here. My favorite items, I think, is going to be this Money hair, the Berlin perfume, because that smells really good. And oh my goodness, I guess if I pick one more, it'd be the Elemis eye cream, because that sounds wonderful. But actually, it's all wonderful. So you let me know in the comments what's your favorite item. Would you like to get this box? I will have a link down in my description. It'll take you over there. And I don't know if I get anything off of it because they're always having all kinds of offers. So if you see something and you get an offer, by all means use it. But hey guys, that's what I have today for Allure Beauty Box, and I really like it. And I've got my little FabFitFun top on with my vitamin C tank top from Beachly that I got a couple of years ago, and it goes real well with it with all the pink, and I really like it. So guys, that's everything that I have today. Thank you for being with me. Again, let me know what's your favorite item in the box. If you like vanilla with a hint of the citrusy and sandalwood, you really love this perfume, Poets of Berlin. Very, very nice. I really like it. But as for today in the Allure box, that's all I have. And happy Mother's Day. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.